What is sustainability? Is sustainability about recycling and turning off lights?
So sustainability in its simplest form and its most complicated form really is about living within planetary limits. And the truth is that we now realise that the way that we've been living in the last couple of 100 years, we've actually been stealing from the future, using more resources and putting out more pollution than planet Earth can sustain. So sustainability means readjusting our way of life to live within the limits of the planet.
Sustainability at the very basic level means preserving the world in an appropriate and sensitive manner that the future generations would also be able to enjoy. This could often be understood in a narrow manner, where focus could be made predominantly on natural environment or natural resources alone. Perhaps that was how it was understood in the past. Sustainability as a concept, as a movement, and as an aim has certainly undergone quite a transformation since then to go beyond conservatism, to include social justice, inclusiveness, and internationalism.
To answer the question, what is sustainability, we need to change the common way in which we think about ourselves and our place in the world. We human beings very naturally begin with ourselves first and then look out from the center of ourselves to the rest of the world. And there's a danger that we consider ourselves to be completely independent, free agents, able to do exactly what we will, and the world is the stage on which we act. But in fact, that's not a very accurate way of understanding ourselves. Human beings, we take our place in the evolution of life, and not just as one special isolated branch, but rather as part of an entire web of connected life which has evolved together. So our existence is intimately tied up with the existence of every other species and indeed the planet on which life has evolved. To live sustainably is to live in harmony, in equilibrium with this whole flow of life, not damaging it, not destroying it, attenuating it, but taking our place and helping the whole to flourish. That's not just an altruistic thing to do, it's also enlightened self-interest. We don't want to cut off the branch on which we sit, which sustains us. We are part of a glorious pattern of life, and we need to live as part of that life and not with an artificial sense that we're separate, independent, and we can do what we wish.